And guess what, guys? It has pockets. That was supposed to be funny. Hey, beautiful people. Welcome to Wellness with Oyindamola, your to-go channel for everything body care, everything wellness, everything girly hygiene, and living your soft, healthy girl lifestyle. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our awareness gang. Well, today's video is going to be a little bit cozy and luxurious. Why? I'm going to be unboxing a gift robe I got from Oriflame Nigeria. Yes, I'm going to unboxing it, and I can't really wait. In case you are here for the first time, I don't really know. I'm a proud brand partner with Oriflame Nigeria. I'm super proud. And in case you don't know them, they're all about self-care, elegance, and clean beauty. That's what the brand is all about. And that is exactly what we stand for in this channel, which is everything body care, feminine wellness, and living our soft, healthy baby girl lifestyle. You get. So now let's wrap it up and let's move to the unboxing of this luxurious gift robe. I can't wait to really review it all with you guys. Ta-da! We have it here. I'm really excited. Let's go in. Let's see what we have here. OMG. OMG. It's so soft. Like, oh my god. Like, I wish I could let you feel the texture. Like, this is giving home luxury spa. Like, the fabric is so soft. Like, oh god. So cozy. So let me try it on. It's so soft and it's quite thick. Like, it's giving the luxury and see it. Oh my god. And guess what, guys? It has pockets. That was supposed to be funny. So it's giving luxury. It's giving that luxury home spa. Yeah, that's the vibes to give. Where you're just sipping your coffee, you're having a relaxing day after a stressful day at work. That's the vibe I get while wearing this. So while I apply my overnight, it gives a healthy glow after a restful night's sleep. While I apply this, I'm going to be talking about Oriflame, and I want you to stay tuned to my channel because why should you stay tuned to my channel? Because I'm going to be sharing more goodies that we're getting from Oriflame Nigeria. So if you would love to find out more on how to partner with Oriflame Nigeria, check the link in the description. I'm going to be talking more about it. So let's just have a good time while I apply my overnight. It contains hydrochloric acid, so I'm just going to be applying it. Then I'm going to be using my reusable mask to allow it absorb into my skin for that early morning glow. Yeah, it helps with, especially if you're a dry skin girly, you should add this to your routine because it gives the hydration you need for the night, the hydration and the instant glow. So if you also love to get this, check the description. I'm going to be leaving more about the overnight marks and more benefits on it in the description. So right now, I'm going to be putting my reusable marks to allow my skincare gets in for better penetration. It's actually reusable. So yeah. So I'm going to allow it stay for some minutes before going to bed so I don't have to smell my bedspread while I rest. So as you can see, because my robe is giving this luxury home spa. So well, thank you for hanging out with me today. And don't forget, your body is your temple, your mind is your power, while your wellness is your responsibility. Stay soft, stay glowing, stay happy. See you in my next video. Thank you very much.